ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Synod College Shillong harengkat kajing trailang bat katanan Arts and Culture jong Sarkar Meghalaya haga lai potrik upanai no pra arajar arpuai kila penlong ya kajingkan ma buram ya lingkho sngi yap ka shispa asan pukundai snam jong klawat karilom jentia uwak yang nangba haga jingelang ka balalong ha auditorium jong ka college. Hagani ka jingelang la sakhilang do MP jong ka Lok Sabha uba Vincent H Pala ubalalong kumukongsan harengkat lang MP jong ka Raja Sabha Dr WR Kharlukhi ubalalong kumusumbot kongsan ki officer na katanan Arts and Culture jong ka Sarkar Meghalaya u principal lembat ki nonghikai jong gani ka college.
One more. 1, 2, 3. One more.
It's unanimously they have chosen him to be a leader. We have a famous river Muntu and in Sintuxia, where till now every year we used to go there and celebrate as on this day, 30th of December, to remember Kiang Namba. On that day, if we attend the program, we will see many learned people used to tell different histories, how they fought with the British. Then we realized that our people, we always love the culture. Our people always try to protect the future of our society. So today, if you see, in spite of all those, there's always a betrayal. So Ukyanamba saw the same thing. I think, if I'm not mistaken, he was also betrayed by a dollar. And how he was caught because of betrayal amongst the people. So today also, be it in politics, be it in, if you read even in the Bible, the betrayal will always be there. But we have to be always be united in our society. Let us learn from Ukyanamba. Let us learn from the other leaders who fought and protect for our future. I've come across so many functions when I attended the brave leaders of our tribals, be in Jharkhand, be in Orissa, be in other places. We the tribals, we will never be like to be deprived of our culture. We will never like to be either bulldozed or imposed upon us by sacrificing our culture, and will never like that our own people will be deprived of their rights. Whenever any imposed on us, be in the form of taxes, be in the form of culture, be in any forms, people are brave enough